Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Okay, so first of all we will go into the TikTok mobile application, and here we have to go to the profile, and after going to the profile you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after you have to go to the setting and privacy. Okay, and after going to the setting and privacy you have to just click on the report a problem. Okay, and after that you will click on that. It will open a new interface. After this guys, you have to click on account and profile, and we will just wait for a few seconds to load. Okay, now we have to click on profile. We have to click on editing profile, okay, which is a second last, and we have to click on others, and it will just open up, and we have to click on need more help, and here we have to write the issue. Like for example, you have to write here something that please help me. You have to write something like that, please help me to unfollow everyone on my TikTok account, and after that you have to submit it. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because there is no such feature where you can unfollow each and everybody, because the followers number for you or somebody else, it can be in 1,000 or it can be 100, so there is a huge amount, and TikTok doesn't give a feature where you can unfollow everybody at just one click. Okay, so basically you have to report a problem, and after reporting the problem a human will contact you and he will help you to unfollow everyone over your TikTok accounts. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video how to unfollow everyone on TikTok, and if you found this video really helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.